Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Maypen, the town of Maypen in Clarendon. Maypen is the capital of Clarendon and also the busiest town in Clarendon. So this is Main Street. This is the busiest part of Maypen. As you can see, we just passed the police station on the left and straight ahead is the clock. And this town was built back in the 1600s when Jamaica was a colony of England. So all the main towns in Jamaica have a clock like this in the center of the town. So this is Main Street. As you can see, it's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon and there's a lot of activity. A lot of stores, haberdasheries, supermarkets, pharmacies, wholesales. And Maypen it's the main town in Clarendon, the largest, also the main town. So you find all the activity in Maypen, in Clarendon and around Clarendon happens here. So it's a very busy town. So the only other major towns like this are Spanish Town and Mandeville. So you find that persons that live around this area or close by use Clarendon as their main shopping area, or you need to go to the bank, whatever you need to do, work-wise or business-wise, you come into Clarendon. All the government agencies are here. It's like a mini version of Kingston. Everything you need is right here. Okay, on the left is Bargain Village, which is the most popular mall in Maypen. There's another mall on the outskirts that's larger, but it's like an epic failure. We'll do a video about that. It's the Millennium Mall, and it's probably the biggest failure of a mall in Jamaica because they didn't follow a very simple formula. But we will make a video of that later and show you guys what it looks like. But this is the actual Maypen town center. This is Main Street in Maypen. All the banks are here. On the right is Courts. The gas stations down here. This road is a one-way to help with the flow of traffic. So you can enter Maypen from the Maypen Bridge, drive right through Maypen and exit down by the Glenmuir Road. Okay, if we turn right, you could take the back road and go back into Maypen, and that's actually what we should have done. That would take us by the Maypen tax office. And you would eventually come back out by the clock. Okay, on the right is the Ministry of Labour and Social Security, on the left is Juicy Beef, and on the right is also Sagicor Bank. There's a Ministry of Justice office. All the government agencies have an office in Maypen. Almost every bank has an office in Maypen. It's a very busy place. And okay, now Maypen itself has about 70,000 people, but the parish of Clarendon have about 250,000 people. So that will give you an idea of just how many people use Maypen. Because as we said, the only other major town is Spanish Town or Mandeville, which is a fair distance away, so everybody comes into Maypen. And also Maypen has a lot of schools. One of the top schools in Jamaica, which is Glenmuir High School, is in Maypen. It's a top school in Maypen and one of the top schools in Jamaica. Okay. On the right is the coming up to the one of the two KFC stores in Maypen. And I will give you an example of just how busy this town is for them to have two stores in the town. Alright, so if we were to turn left here, we would go on to Glenmuir Road, and that would take us back to the Maypen bypass. And also, if we go straight, we would stay on Manchester Avenue and we could continue going through Maypen. And if we turn right, that takes us, I don't remember the name of that area anymore. It's a very popular area in Clarendon, but it takes you to other parts of Clarendon. This is still a part of Maypen. Alright, if we continue on this road, we'll go all the way back to the Maypen bypass. We're going to turn around here and go back into the town. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.